Dear learner, as we have started Revit 2024 tutorial series, and in this first lecture or our first lecture, first of all, I'll just give you a software review, because before starting work, you need to know about that software perfectly. And I am using a student version of that software. And if you need to use that software, that related video tutorials are given in our playlist, that how you can create a student account to download any student version. And it's better to use these types of student version without using illegal version, I think so actually. So first of all, when you will open your software, maybe this work will not be visible here. Our recent work is visible here because already I have done several work. And here you will see the models we have created. We'll see here, okay, as I am seeing here. Then you will see the families here, the available family you will see here. And in that side, first of all, in model, if you have the existing work, suppose we have done a work previously and we want to open our Revit previous work, then we'll use that option, open. And after doing some work, I will show about that, nothing to worry. Then I'll click here for new. So if you want to start some new work, then you can click here for new model. And here family. So what is the family actually? So family means we have created some families for our work that will use as a pre-existing model or will use as a pre-existing element. Okay, so the huge amount of families already provided by Autodesk Revit, and sometimes we create some families for our work. It's very easy actually, and also I'll show you that how we can create families, but not now. So when we are here, okay, first of all, I'll just go here with create a Revit models file, because we are new here and we didn't work anything previously, right? So I'll click here new. So when I will click new, then they have two options, project and project template. So if I click here, that will be open as a project template, or here create new project, so it will be work as a project. But the question is for your term, okay, for your case, you may not see that option here. That template file may it will be missing. So how will add that template file? Already I have created a video on it, and I will request you just go to our description and go to this course playlist, and there I have added that video missing template. If I just show you, if you come to our channel here, School of Civil Engineering, then here our just see created playlist here, Autodesk Revit 2024 complete tutorial beginner. Otherwise you can just come here playlist and see here our created playlist. And if I click here play all, sorry, I will stop that, and here just see how to add missing template in Autodesk Revit. So if you just simply click here, that file will be opened here, okay, and you'll be able to add missing template, and also the template are provided by ourselves. Okay, now I'll just close it. Here, which types of template will start actually? We'll start residential one first, because we're not working as a structural analysis or design, or we're not going for construction, electrical or plumbing. So we are going for residential. Okay, now the question is, what is template file actually? What is the necessary of it? Is it actually really necessary? So sometimes it's necessary and sometimes not. So what is the necessary of it? When we'll go for the template file, or when we'll use the default template file, then we'll be used to the template as a default component. And in our template, just if I open that, okay, so for residential, and if we go for okay and see our the pre-defined template or the provided template from Autodesk will be opened here. And why we're using that template actually? You see, there are many default just see there are many floor plan or the required name actually provided here as a floor plan. Then here the ceiling, then for elevation, everything actually provided here. What we need actually. Okay, so what we need actually in a floor plan or architectural work, basement work, then electrical work, first floor electrical work, then second floor electrical work, floor forming, site plan, then footing, top of the footing, then first floor, ceiling for first floor, second floor, just 3D. So everything we need actually is provided here. And also for sheet, for different types of work, just see for every types of work they have provided different types of sheet, but we'll not use that at this time. We'll modify that, we'll make it as per our floor plan, we'll make it as per our requirement, we'll do everything as a requirement. Now when you here, you'll see in that site you'll get a property browser. So what is the meaning of property browser? When we'll start some work, we'll see the property here, and here we'll see the project browser. In that site we'll see the project browser, and here we'll see the quick access toolbar in top. And by clicking here, if you need to hide some quick access toolbar that it's not required and it's being very unnecessary, then you can uncheck it. Suppose if I want that, I'll not show PDF, then see this option will not be available here. Again, if you need to back it, then click here, it will be available here. In this way you are able to create, or you are able to hide or show that file. Okay, now this is the way to show our quick access toolbar when it is okay. Now we'll go for next part. So here the menu bar. In our menu bar they have many options. For architectural work we'll use that option from here. For structural work we'll use that option. Then for steel work, precast, then system, interest, annotate. Actually this is almost same as our AutoCAD. Okay, we'll use for drawing and for measurement, annotate. Then analyze, the option of analyze. After completing our structural section, we'll go for analyze. Then meshing or site, if we need to create site, topographic area, or anything actually site component, I mean tree or anything, then we'll use that option. Then collaborate. Okay, this option is not necessary at this time. This is the advanced property. Then if we go for view, so by using that view option, we can show different types of view, different types of section, sheet. We can go for rendering, many things actually. Then manage. Okay, so in manage tab we have huge work. One by one we'll learn everything. We'll learn everything one by one. And in this course I will create very short video, so that when you will start working, and if you forget something, then just come to our course, or just come to our that playlist, or that section, and just find out your solution. So in that way we'll create our work. Okay, so this is the basic view of our software. And now if you go for file option, they have some many option. So in file option, just see the first option is new. So if you want to create a new project or family or a conceptual mess, then title block, annotation symbol, we can take it from here. Then open. So what is the open? Meaning of open? We have previous some work, we have previous some IFC work. Suppose you have created a model with different types of software or different version of software, then by using that option we can do it, we can open it. Then family, project, cloud model. Okay, then save as. So what is the meaning of save as? We all know about that save as option. So if you click here for save as, they have a template, a project. If you want to save your work as a project, then you can use that option. You can, if you want to save your project or if your work as a template, then you can use that as a library. So many options is available. Then export. So if we want to export our work as a CAD file, AutoCAD file, then we can do it. Then PDF file, IFC file, DWG file, the many option available. Okay, if we click here, just see many option available. Image or animation, we'll discuss about that later. Then if we click print, then from here, if we just come here for print, and we are able to create print. So after completing all of work, we'll go for the print option. Okay, so this is the basic introduction for our interface and the opening of our software. So in the next lecture, we'll learn about some important topic of our software, that is option menu. Okay, they have many important things to learn, so we'll discuss about that in our next lecture. Thank you very much. This is your instructor Engr Hedaetullah, and I'm working as a lecturer of a university, of an engineering university, and working as a instructor of you. So thank you very much.